chip bag was. So, yeah, like reddish colors, so yeah. I'm not sure about eating something else. Either way, I kept getting. And I'm continuing the video with eating only red food, so this is what I'm going to eat right now. So we're just going to make these noodles, and not too much on me. The packaging is red, and then I'm going to put some hot sauce on my noodles. And it's pretty red, so not too much on me. And then on top of that, it's pretty hot, so it's hot and tea. But yeah, this is the hot sauce. This is the noodles, so that's what I'm going to eat. Okay? And if for dinner, I don't know when we get to dinner. We'll get there when we get there. You guys, so right now I'm eating my noodles. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to eat later on, but this is eating red food for 24 hours. I already started eating red food. Yeah, I wanted to see the clips and stuff when I was at work.